take off, you know, the normal takeoff. All of a sudden I hear a turn this plane around. I was like, oh damn. I said, I hope they don't turn this damn plane around. I ain't trying to be delayed.
So we're getting into the first video. This is how I film my packing ASMR videos. Just got home, got my fresh haircut. Shout out to Ron for taking care of me. We have an event tonight for Instagram. It's called InstaSkate. I have no idea if we're actually going to be roller skating. Baby, you ready to roller skate? Maybe. But there's an option to opt out for that. We have to clean up the house because as you can see, it's a little messy. My sisters and my dad are gonna be coming here for one night. My dad flew in, he's gonna be picking up my sisters, and they're gonna take one car drive up to the Bay Area. So you know how it is when you're in a Filipino household, you gotta make sure it's clean. Usually it is clean, but we got a lot of stuff going on. Chrissy got packages from Puma. We got some stuff just laying over there that needs to get shot. A little spit shine here and there. We'll be good to go. So I'm fresh out the shower right now. A little fresh, step out the shower. Who remembers that song? Shaved, used the Gillette Labs. Before that, I was using some other shaver. I would get these like razor bumps. It wasn't as smooth. But this, on the other hand, the Gillette Labs, this is crazy. Brushing my thoughts. Chrissy and I stumbled upon this lotion when we were at Walmart one day. Jergens. You sample the lotion. The smell is phenomenal. Ended up, it's kind of personal, but I'm putting on my bottoms right now. We got Monty's plant-based vegan burger style, like In-N-Out burger. And we got it! Instagram does it again. They brought the winter vibes to LA, hosting an event called InstaSkate. They brought out an entire roller skate rink, which is super dope, filled with giveaways, photo opportunities, food, themed drinks, hot cocoa, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I was afraid I was gonna bust my ass, but we had to get down on the dance floor. Speaking of which, they had live performers. Wait, is that the Grinch? What I really love about these events is seeing the homies, connecting with new creators, but wait, you know we had to show off the drips. We had the J's on our feet.
Okay, these are the best tips I could possibly give you to make better reels. Be better looking than, you know, me. Or do trends. I love trends. This one's current. This one's your favorite one. Hey. Right? Right? Okay.
You heard it here, folks. Straight from the Grinch.
Finally back home. That was an eventful event. Huge shout out to Instagram for throwing InstaSkate. They brought the holiday season to Los Angeles, minus the ice skating rink. They built a DIY skating rink on top of a rooftop bar in LA. The Grinch was there. I got to meet so many dope people that I've connected with online on Instagram. I got to skate with Chrissy, which we haven't done in a really long time. We met up with my sisters and my dad, who are at my house right now. We had to go pick up my other sister because she went to some function. It's 11 o'clock. I ordered pizza and I didn't put my apartment number, so I never got a notification on my call box. I was worried about my pizza when I pulled up. The pizza was literally sitting on the outside of our apartment door. Not my apartment unit, but the apartment complex on the planter. Me and Haley about to hop on the sticks.
What's this for?
How were your travels to LA?
On the airport? Loaded up, took forever. A lot of people in a wheelchair, you know. Once I sat down, I found an aisle seat in the back. It was cool. But then, you know, a bunch of the seaboarding party people came on, and one lady was looking at me like,
Should I sit next to him?
and I was like, please don't sit by me, please don't sit by me. But she didn't, so I was like, good. So we take off, you know, the normal takeoff. All of a sudden I hear a, I was like, what the hell's going on? What the hell? I can hear it through my earphones. I have my earphones on, so I was like, oh man, what the hell? She laughing, she crying. I took my earphones off. I'm like, what the hell is she doing?
I can't fly. Turn this plane around.
Oh damn! I said, I hope they don't turn this damn plane around. I ain't trying to be delayed. The flight attendant ran up to her. Ma'am, we can't turn around. We can't. We already took off. We're already in the air. Oh please, I can't fly. I can't fly. All of a sudden, bleh. I was like, oh, I'm glad she didn't sit by me. And then the barf bag, you know, I guess on the airplane, they give you little small, tiny ones. That shit was overflowing. I was like, oh, give her another bag. So I see the other flight attendant, a guy, he's running back there. He gave her a damn big ass garbage bag. But that was pretty much the highlight of my flight. Other than that, it went cool. Thank you. Have a great day.
Oh. My sisters and my dad just left. It's time to clean up the house. Chrissy's in the other room taking apart 11 bags of packages that she got. So we're gonna shoot soon. We have to pack because we're leaving to Yosemite in 2 days, which is exciting. The house looks crazy right now. Didn't go to sleep until 2 o'clock in the morning. Got woken up at 7, so 5 hours of sleep. No, I put one thumb up and then I put my index finger up. Time to get my mind right, start my morning off with a cup of joe. Cup of coffee. Get this air mattress cleaned up. Chrissy got 11 of these. Let's unbox it. Look at this jacket, y'all. Oh, just got back home. We ate brunch. It was a really long brunch. We set off to find one thing, earmuffs, but it took us a few hours. Didn't find any earmuffs. What is wrong with people? It's wintertime. How could you not have earmuffs? We went to
Forever 21, H&M, Uniqlo, Bloomingdale's, Macy's, Banana Republic, so many other stores.
and we could not find earmuffs. I wanted to take the ones off the mannequin at Uniqlo, but Chrissy said,
Don't do it. Now, you know I had to think about it. Karma. I'm not gonna do that.
anyways, I have 30 minutes until the sun goes down, and I have 5 videos I need to shoot, and I need to pack. But if you're wondering what I'm doing, I am using Notion right now. I'm doing the content strategy for all of the videos that I'm going to be shooting today. Let's get into it. First things first, I need to go style some fits. Look at this closet. It is crazy in here. Like, I start with the t-shirts and then the pants. I build from there with some shoes. Next step, gotta put all of the clothes on this clothes rack right here, get them steamed. I'm gonna give you guys a little behind the scenes on what's going on here. So we're getting into the first video. This is how I film my packing ASMR videos. So I have Chrissy in the back. She's helping me fold all of the clothes to be perfect. So when they go in, it's extra satisfying. I mean, who doesn't wanna see a video where the clothes are folded so nicely? Okay, so this first contraption right here, I have my cell phone with 2 phone clamps.
You might be asking yourself, why do you have 2 phone mounts for? This top one is holding this Rode shotgun microphone, which is connected to the bottom of the phone. But if I didn't have that, then I wouldn't be able to plug in the audio because there would just be not enough space in between these 2 apparatuses. I don't know how to explain that any better than that. This top-down mount that I ended up getting that can attach to any light stand or C-stand, and that's exactly what all of this is connected to. This is called a C-stand. You can get overhead shots, you can attach lights at different angles, you can remove this top part and then you can put lights directly on the C-stand itself and have it act like a light stand, or buy different modifiers for the C-stand. They come in different heights, weights, colors. One of my favorite tools that I recommend every creator to have. It does take up a lot of space, so that's like the biggest downfall. You can also use it as a tripod if you wanted to. They go really tall.
Wow! It's finally time to begin shooting. So as you can see here, I've got my Nanlite FS300B set up over there, C-stand, and then I've got my Nanlite Pablo tube light on the floor, getting rid of those shadows. Major key alert, make sure your elbow, hands, got lotion, make sure your nail cuticles are cut and clean. I was gonna look like this guy. Hand lotion ASMR. Them elbows, no ash. In between the knuckles. So right now, we are locking the focus. Cut. And that's how we do it. So I'm gonna cut this. You guys are gonna have to tune in to the actual version of this video, which you can watch on my YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok if you're not already following and subscribing. So. Woo! Finished filming the first video. Now before we get into filming for Rode, I need to dump all of the files from my phone, even though this time I'm actually gonna be filming this on our bigger camera. And the reason why we're filming on that camera is because it is a commercial. I wanna give them the best quality that I could possibly give them. And also, like, I looked at their page and they don't post a ton of like user-generated stuff, looking stuff from the phone. So I'm just gonna basically, a lot of you asked like, how do I data transfer all of my files? There's 12 videos here. I'm basically just going to airdrop them from my phone to my laptop. It's that simple. I found that it doesn't ruin the quality of the video, so I'm gonna continue to doing airdropping versus just hardwiring the phone because Apple has made that too complicated. Apple, somebody, if you're listening, one creator, to you guys, engineers, 2 things. 1, make it simpler for people who are using their phones to transfer files from their other Apple devices to other ones. Sometimes the AirDrop thing doesn't work. Second problem I have, manual camera settings. Please, consumers are ready, the pros are ready, been ready. Blow out the competition of all these prosumer, beginner level cameras and just put it on the phone. Thanks, Apple. Not to toot my own horn here, but this lighting setup I got is crazy good. All right, so check this out. We got the Nanlite FS300B set up right there with the lantern. Then we got both Nanlite Pablo tube lights right here side by side next to the road. And then we got the Nanlite Forza. I just finished shooting the first part. Wanted to show you guys that we are on live right now. Everybody say, what's up? Today is Sunday. I'm not out partying, drinking. I'm out here working, getting it done. Now we're gonna go upstairs, shoot the final part of all of this when it's connected to the desk. Gang is all here. Earlier we had 148 people in here, but real ones over here, 32, all 32 of you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Hey. Like I said, the first half of this video is complete. Now I have to bring all of this upstairs.